In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll feel confident starting a search, reading the results, and keeping the conversation going to get exactly what you need. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Perplexity AI website by typing perplexity.ai into the address bar. The site loads quickly and works well on both desktop and mobile, so use whatever device you're comfortable with. Signing in is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to save your searches and keep your history in one place. If that matters to you, click Sign In and follow the prompts. If you'd rather just try it out without saving anything, you can skip this and continue as a guest. Next, locate the search bar. It's prominently placed in the center of the page, designed to draw your eye so you can start right away. Click into the search bar to activate it. You'll see the cursor blinking, which means you're ready to type. Now enter your question or topic. You can keep it broad or be very specific. For example, you could type, "What is artificial intelligence?" If you want more tailored results, add a bit of context or detail, like a time frame or a particular angle, but plain natural language works great. Once your question is ready, press Enter on your keyboard. Perplexity will search the web and generate an answer for you. Give it a moment to gather information. You'll see a concise, readable response appear, usually within a few seconds, along with a list of sources that informed that answer. Take a moment to read the answer carefully, then review the sources. The results include citations and links to the websites used to generate the response. Clicking a citation will take you directly to the source, which is useful for verifying details, getting more depth, or saving references for later. This transparency makes it easier to judge credibility and understand where the information comes from. If you want to dig deeper, ask follow-up questions right below the answer. Just type your next question in the same conversation thread. You can refine your query, request a simpler explanation, ask for examples, or continue exploring related angles. Because the thread keeps context, Perplexity remembers what you've already asked and builds on it, so you don't have to repeat yourself. That's it. Open the site, sign in if you want to save searches, click the search bar, type your question, press Enter, review the answer and sources, and keep the conversation going with follow-ups. Try it out and see how quickly you can get clear, sourced answers.